Today we're learning about XSS, or cross-site scripting, one of the most common web security vulnerabilities affecting modern websites. An XSS attack happens when an attacker injects malicious JavaScript into a trusted website. When users visit that site, the script runs inside their browser, not on the server. XSS can allow attackers to steal login cookies and session tokens, capture keystrokes, redirect users to fake websites, perform actions as the victim without permission. There are three main types of XSS attacks. 1. Stored XSS. Malicious code is saved in a database and served to users. 2. Reflected XSS. The attack comes from user input in URLs or forms. 3. DOM-based XSS. The vulnerability exists entirely in client-side JavaScript. XSS usually occurs due to improper input validation and unsafe output rendering in web applications. To prevent XSS attacks, always validate and sanitize user input, encode output before displaying it in browsers, use Content Security Policy, or CSP, avoid using unsafe JavaScript functions like inner HTML Understanding XSS is essential for developers, security professionals, and learners. A secure web starts with secure code. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay secure.